Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Tuesday, April 15th, and this is my analysis for gold. If you haven't done so yet, definitely do check out my free Discord channel, link down here in the corner at the end of the video, and take a look at my website, fxpipcollector.com. So anyways, gold did end up drifting down pretty good yesterday afternoon, and notice that the move down is more of a five-wave move. That's more of an impulsive move, not a corrective move. I think that is could very easily be a wave A. Now I think this very easily could be three waves up for a wave B, and it seems to me like maybe we will go down. Now I have a really hard time recommending shorts on gold because every single higher time frame is in one of the strongest uptrends ever. Monthly, weekly, daily, 4 hour, and 1 hour, and everything in between is in a very strong uptrend. So we may be on the 1 hour time frame saying to ourselves, this looks like it needs to make a perfect ABC crescent and then go back up to that 161% Fibonacci extension, which has been my target for a very long time. But in reality, because we're in such a big, strong uptrend, it doesn't necessarily have to make an ABC crescent. It could just drift down a little bit and then just keep on going up. I personally would only be recommending longs in an uptrend. I think there's a good chance it will drift down and take out some of these lows for a wave C, but I think that's a little bit of an unreliable trade because of the fact we're in such a strong uptrend. That's why I personally would be waiting patiently for more long opportunities because I still think there's an extremely good likelihood we will hit that 161% Fibonacci extension from the monthly time frame right around 3,275 to $3,280. So anyways, don't forget to like and subscribe, and as always, thank you for watching and happy trading.